Key Foundation's mission is about bridging the gap between traditional wealth and decentralized finance. This bridge is built through an ecosystem of real-life businesses, creating value and pouring it back to the Key ecosystem through one single asset, the Key. The Key token is the backbone of value sharing in the Key ecosystem. We can also mention famous partners such as Booking, Angel Square, or Pony. The Kichain white paper is available directly on their website. A very clear documentation illustrates the entire ecosystem. Kichain creates Klub. Klub is a revolutionary private investment platform helping high-earning individuals to spend, store, and grow their capital. As all neobanks do, Klub will grant you access to CeFi products such as stocks, real estate, or even car or electric scooter fleet management. Klub provides a platform to ease fiat on-ramp decentralized markets connecting with leading actors' markets. Here, you can check all the value flow from Klub to Key. The Key is at the center of Klub's use. Kichain has been built on the Cosmos SDK. As a POS coin, you can earn more Key with staking. Earn up to 30% APY by delegating to Staky.io. Key is now available on Liquid Exchange and is also available on Uniswap and Paraswap. Thank you for watching and see you soon on Staky.io.